As anyone who has Trains 2012 knows, there's a lot of sound effects that won't work on it, including the engine sound for the New Jersey Transit Aero 3 train. For example, right now the train is idling and this is what it sounds like because there's something wrong with the engine sound for it. And when I start it up, it still makes that sound. And when I slow it down, it still makes that sound as well. Okay, now I'm going to try to fix this with a method that I read about online that supposedly works for each of these glitchy sound effects. In Surveyor, go to the menu and then click Options. And then, let's see, there should be something, okay, Sound Settings. And where it has Enable 3D Sound Effects, uncheck that. Apparently that'll fix this sound. Well, I'm not sure how it worked for that other person, but as you can see, it clearly did not work. So I'm going to try something else. Okay, this is the engine sound in question. Let's go Control-Shift-E and see if there's anything we can do about it to fix it. Well, here are all the sounds, and let's see. Let's click on one to see if it works. Did it do anything? That's weird. I'm guessing idle 1 doesn't make a sound. Hold on. Okay, here's one of the sound effects. And it sounds like it works. I'm not sure why it won't work in the game. Let's see. I'm going to try editing the sound in Audacity to see if that fixes anything. But I'm only going to do that for one of the sounds just in case I end up ruining it. Let's see. It should be, okay, import, audio. Now I got to go to the right file. Program files x86, N3V games, TS12. Editing. Oh, did I go in the wrong file? Oh, user data. Let's see. Editing. Aero 3 engine sounds. Okay, let's work with the idle 1 sound. Okay. Why is the computer so slow today? Okay, I'm just gonna try exporting it as a different type, different type of saved file or something. Let's see, export idle 1 as a .wav file. Okay. See, okay, what's this? Okay, let's try opening it in Content Creator Plus or something. Okay, I changed the train's build number. Maybe that'll fix something. There really doesn't seem to be anything in here that I can change that's related to the actual sound. Well, this sound still isn't working, so I have to resort to my last resort. Okay, since this engine sound refuses to work, I literally have no other options. This is called Marta Sound. It's a sound effect for these Marta subway cars, and it's the closest sound I could find to the Aero 3 train. So here's what I'm going to do. Control-Shift-E. Now I'm going to copy all of these sounds. Now I'm going to Control-Shift-E for this. And paste all of those sounds here. Or I could edit the Arrow 3 and give it the Marta sound as well. Okay, I managed to copy the subway sounds here from the Marta car, but there are still a few sounds that the Marta sound file did not have, so those were left unchanged. But if I keep them on this game, they're going to continue to make that awful sound, so I'm just going to delete them. Let's see. I also need to delete these. What's this sound? Okay, that must be the idle one sound. Okay. Also, I have to get rid of these sounds. Oh wait, I have to get rid of this one too. Okay, that will make it, that won't necessarily fix it, but it'll make it so that the that it only has sounds that will not make that horrible sound. And this is what it will sound like instead. Okay, this is what the Arrow 3 now sounds like. It now sounds like a Marta subway car, but that was the closest I could get to fixing it. Now here's what it sounds like when I power it up. One of those sounds is still glitchy. And this is what it sounds like when you power it down. Oh, I forgot to turn the 3D sounds back on. It is scripted to choose a different sound based on how long I make the flashers go.